How to record audio on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So for you to record audio in your iPhone natively without using any third-party apps, you will have to go into voice memos. You can search for it, and once you're here, you can see the big red button down below. All you have to do is press on it and it will record audio natively from its microphones. And once you're done recording, you'll have to click on stop, and after that there are a bunch of options in the app itself. You can trim the audio recording, you can even delete it just by swiping it on the right, and you can even archive it. So there are a lot of options that you can fiddle around with. All you have to do is click on more, and you can see there are these bunch of options available. You can save them to files or even share them. And if you want to edit them, you will have to click on the top right corner where the three dots are there, and once you've done that, you can scroll down and you can see this option which is called edit recording. You press on it, and now you can see there are a bunch of options like this. You can trim it down at the end and at the start. And yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.